Another Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to see the blocked users list on your Snapchat app. If you're new to the channel and want simple tips for your iPhone, Android phone, and social media apps, hit the subscribe button and join the Simple Dad community. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap on Settings in the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Blocked or Blocked Users. Tap on Blocked. Here, you'll see a list of all the users you've blocked on Snapchat. If you want to unblock someone, simply tap the X next to their name, and they'll be removed from your blocked list. And that's it. That's how you can easily view and manage your block list on Snapchat. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.